Hey there, JavaScript community. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting challenge in store for you. We've got a simple but fun code challenge to tackle together. But here's the twist. I'll give you 60 seconds to give it a shot on your own. If you can't crack it in that time, don't worry, I've got your back, and I'll walk you through the solution at the end of the video. So, here's the challenge we're dealing with today. Ready, set, go. I'm starting the timer now. Feel free to leave your thoughts or progress in the comments below. Let's see who can crack it within the time limit. We're halfway through the challenge now, but don't give up. Keep going, you're doing great. Time's up. How did you do? If you managed to solve it, congratulations. If not, no worries. I'm here to help. Let's break down the solution together. If you found this challenge interesting or learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow coders, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting coding content. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay curious, keep coding, and until next time, happy coding.